Hello, hi, how are you? So in this video you will find how to get license key for student version of Simio simulation software. So in order to get a license key, first we have to go to official website of Simio. So here we go, and we have to go to website of Simio www.simio.com. So you have to go to Simio website. So this is Simio website. This is the original website of simulation software. From here you can download software. This is download option, and here you can try Simio for free, and this gives 30 days trial version, and this is academic users software and commercial user software. So we have to download academic software version and register it with the student version, and we have to get key for student version. So in order to request for student version key, we have to go to here academic, and then we have to click on academic licensing. So we have to scroll down, and here this is academic licensing process. We have to click on it, and we have to again scroll down, and at the bottom of this page we will get request a student license. So we will click on this link, and this is a student license request form. So we have to carefully fill this form, and then we have to submit this form, and you will get license key within 5 days. Usually license key is issued within 2 to 3 hours, but if there is some issue or missing information, then we have to wait for 5 days or reply from Simio agent. So we have to go to form, and this is the form in which we have to enter first name and last name. Then there is academic email. So you have to enter here academic email, which is mostly issued from university department and containing domain of university website. So you have to enter that website, that email, and license key is sent on that email address. So you should have academic email in order to get a student registration key. So you have to enter here that email, and then you have to enter personal email, and you have to confirm academic email. Okay, here is student license claim code. If you are applying for key at your own, it means without getting claim code from your institute, so you just have to skip this step, claim code step, and you have to fill additional detail. Okay, because you need simulation software for any research purpose or academic purpose, so you have to give complete description that why you need license key for the software. So you have to completely detail your research work, or how your research work depends upon Simio software, and like this you have to give description of your research work which you are going to carry on Simio software. Okay, so by doing this uh, and giving complete description of your thesis, you have just mark on I am not a bot and click on license key. Like here is request license. So after requesting license, you have to wait 2 to 3 hours, and keep checking your email, official email address, which is issued from academic institute. And if your request is accepted, you will find an email address containing license key like this. Here is 16 digits license key. You have to copy this license key, and you have to go to Simio software, which is already I have already installed on my computer. Otherwise in email they send you a download link for your software. So you have to download and install software. Okay, so this is Simio software, and in this software you have to go to file menu, and then at the bottom there is licensing. You have to click on licensing, so you will get this screen. And since I have already registered my software, so you will get this type of interface. Okay, so you have to go to classic licensing. When you will get to classic licensing, you will enter here your key, activation key, which is copied from which you have copied from email or get an email from Simio organization. So you have to enter that key here and then press on activate. So your license will be activated for 1 year, student version license. So that license would be node locked license, and then you can enjoy Simio software for 1 year. Thank you for watching this video, and if you get this video as helpful, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.